Wanted to show you how to open and properly close lock the windows. So there is a lock here, and then the hand crank pulls out. So to open it, you unlock it and then pull the hand crank out, turn it, and it opens. There is an alarm on every window, and so if the window's open, we won't be able to set the alarm. So feel free to open the windows whenever you want, but when you leave after your stay is over, please make sure you close and lock all the windows. So you just close it till it's about tight. You don't have to like over crank it, and just put the handle back and then use this to lock it. And now it's properly locked and closed, and the alarm will be able to be set after your stay is over. This applies to every window in the house. There are some windows that are bigger that will have two of these, one a little higher and one a little lower. So be sure to close both of them. All right, thanks.